for me to say I feel Jewish now would be emotionally, which is the deepest way of saying something, emotionally it would be saying something like, I'm a member of an extinct species. If I spoke Latin, I would be either a Catholic priest who's been to seminary not so long ago, before he forgot his Latin, or a member of an extinct species.
Are you saying that when you speak Yiddish, you feel that you're part of an extinct
Yes,
species?
yes. Yeah, I never thought of it that way, but if you read college Yiddish, which I'm sure you have, read the text. I mean, not the vocabulary or the grammar. Read the text. They were written by a member of an extinct species. They were written by somebody who truly believes that there's a point in having Yiddish words for internet, for example. Well, that's actually an. So the internet is in college Yiddish is an anachronism, but there are lots of other things like a round trip ticket, and you know. Oh, I know what you should be reading for as an example is Say It in Yiddish. Do you know that book? That's a member of an extinct species, because it's a phrase book of phrases which one can no longer imagine using in a realistic situation. Nobody uses those words, even if they're, and you know, I don't want to tell secrets out of school, but I remember being present when some of those words were manufactured. I think it was, it seemed like a good project at the time. I didn't say to Uriel and B, why are you doing this, for crying out loud? Why don't you do something useful? No, I thought it was a very good thing to do. But looking back on it now, I say, well, was it a good thing to do? Well, as a priest, I immediately ask myself, what did it do for them to create that? And it did a lot for them. I was there, I know. So I don't say they would have been wiser people if they had not done it, but they were members of an extinct species nonetheless. Because there are phrase books that were written in Latin too, but they were sort of, I won't say they were jokes, it was a humorous idea. It was something that a Latin teacher might try for fun to say. My Latin teacher in high school said, put that piece of paper in the waste paper basket. She said, receptaculum. She made it up on the spot, in the receptacle. Which is, you know, it's creative. It's very creative, and there's, I think, no more important value in human spirit than creativity. So it's not just that I say, well, to each his own. I say that's a wonderful thing to do. But, and humor, by the way, is creativity. I mean, good humor is creativity. uh, but am I making any sense of what I mean by an extinct species?